A lovely one for you today, guys. Beef with green pepper and black bean sauce. Here we go with the ingredients then. Some oil for cooking in, onion, green chilli, optional, garlic, green pepper, carrot, beef fillet, or you can use any other type of steak really, light soy sauce, fermented black beans, otherwise known as salted black beans, salt and sugar and some ground pepper, beef stock or chicken stock. I'm doing something different today. I'm using beef gravy, dark soy sauce, and if needed at the end, there may be a cornflour slurry. Not sure yet. We'll have to wait and see. Here we go. Okay then, frying pan or wok on the heat. I'm using my frying pan again. I find it a little bit easier to control with this induction hob. In with a drop of groundnut oil, about a tablespoon. And as usual with Chinese cooking, all the vegetables are cut down to bite-sized pieces. The garlic went in at some point here, but I've edited the footage out and I'm not going to go looking for it. A teaspoon of lazy garlic, and cook the onions and chilli down until the onions just a bit translucent. They change colour just that little bit. See, there's like pasty white there, and now they're almost, a bit like more yellowy. In with the carrots, in with the green peppers. I'm not a great fan of green peppers, but I'll tell you some at the end. Give these a good mix in, get them cooking through, about 2 minutes. The onions took about 2 minutes as well, so fairly even. It would be quicker in a wok, like I said the other day, but it's more enjoyable like this. And I've got the fan on today, guys. Yeah, they're just about cooking nicely then. And when you're happy with those, in with the beef. Beef fillet I'm using for this one. It's a nice cut. It's a little bit dearer, but there's no bits in it. There's no sinew in it. You know what I mean? You get what you pay for, don't you, really? But we'll be doing a dish, maybe doing a dish later on with a cheaper cut of beef. I'll get the beef all cooked through. That doesn't take long. That's about another 2 minutes. Sped it up so you haven't got to watch me do all of it. I might do a video one day, all the way through, start to finish, all sort of 30 minutes of it or whatever it takes. A sort of cook along with Diggy. What do you think about that? Let me know in the comments. That's cooking through really nicely. Oh, in with the sauces. Light soy sauce first. Tablespoon of that. And in with the salted black beans, otherwise known as fermented black beans. 2 tablespoons. They smell lovely. They smell just like the sauce they're making, actually. Really nice. Give those a good stirring in and cook for another minute or 2. If you're adding salt, about half a teaspoon will do. Same with the sugar. I'm using Demerara sugar for this one. It was on the table, begging to be used. Give it a good stirring in. Really quick dish again, this one, guys. In with the pepper. I'm using black pepper for this one. And in with the stock. And for a change, I'm using beef gravy for this. And because I'm using the gravy, it's already got a thickening agent in it, so I probably don't need the cornflour. Give it all a good mixing in. In with the dark soy sauce. A final stir around for about a minute, if that, 30 seconds possibly. Then off the heat and in with your finishing oil, which is sesame again. Talking of green peppers, I just say I don't like green peppers. I prefer not to eat green peppers, but I tell you what, in this dish, they were absolutely lovely. So perhaps my tastes are changing as I'm getting older. They were lovely. Time to dish up. Okay then, here we go guys. Best part, eh? Oh, a little bit of warmth to it. That is bloody lovely. Well, that's my supper sorted, guys. Hey, double diggy thumbs up for this one. Nice. Mmm, 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 mmm.